Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Omii. So after so many days, we are back again with our Python series, and so today's our topic is that set. So how to create set, what we should learn more about set, and what basically the set concept is going to be used in our Python. So first of all, listening the word set, you are remembering the concept about set while you have learned in the uh, mathematics in your school time or in college time. So in this way, the first thing about set is that it is a collection of words. It is a collection of words or the collection of elements which are in unordered, which are in unordered. And in the concept of set, there is the means in the topic of set there is no concept about index. So we can say it is an unindexed concept or unindexed topic. Second point, we can say that a set is created by placing all the items or the elements inside the curly bracket. So, in such a curly bracket, all the elements are situated in this curly bracket and that are separated by the comma. So, we can have any number of items and they may be the different types. Set can consist of any number of items and it may be having different types. So, let's look at a quick example of this. So, this is an first and small example of the set that look here. S is equal to it consists of element of 1, 2, 1. Number of twos are 2 times 2, 2, and number 3 element is of 2 times, that is 3, 3, and 4. So it is going to give us an output that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look here in present original what we put in the query or in the input, that is number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 elements, but in the output you are going to get just as 4 elements. The reason behind that is that it does not allow duplicates and it is unordered. So first thing is that the reason why we get 4 elements in the output, that it does not allow the duplicates, means it is going to automatically eliminate the duplicate value. Got it? After that, we can see that it is also mutable, means we can add element, also we can remove the element. So in this way, we will going to learn the example how it is an mutable. How to minimize this. So now let's come to the point. We have to take the new set, that is just is equal to 10, 5, and 20. So in output we get that 10, 20, and 5. 10, 20, and 5. So the order, you must notice here the order of the set. Our first element is 10, second element is 5, and the third element is 20. So we can say whenever we are going to print years, then we are going to get unordered nature. Means it is an having unordered nature. It is an unordered. So we have got first element as 10, similar as it is, but the second element second element as an 20, because it is an third number in our input query, but in output we got it as a second number position. So we can say that from this it is an unordered nature. If I run this one more time, let's so now look one more time. I would like to run this. These. Similarly, we are going to get that 10, 20, and 5. So this is an unordered nature. Next concept is that it is an heterogeneous. So then also the one of the property of set is that is an it is an heterogeneous, means the meaning that it can contain all types of the data. As earlier we learned that it contains all the types of data that in the form of float, integer, and string. So here we have taken S1 set as a new example, and here we have put the element that one Omii and the Python. And when we are going to print, then it will going to give us the all the elements that are included in the set. So from this we can conclude that set is an the heterogeneous type. So means all the data types we can contain in the set or we can store in the set. So now on the basis of set, we have learned earlier in the 10th class and also in the our college level time that sets perform operation, that is difference, union, intersection. So in this way, this is an AND operation, means an uh, intersection operation means common element between class A and class B means in between common element between the set two classes means two sets. So in this way, I have put in the class A that is Chintu and the Chinni, and in the class B that is Chinni and the Omi. So in this way, so don't think anything about Chini. Just you need to find the common element. So in class A, the common is that Chini, and in the class B, Chini. Means in this both the classes, there is one common element that is Chini. So in the output, you are going to get that as an Chini. So this is one of the intersection type of the operation. So in this way, we can perform intersection as well as an union as well as an difference operation. Okay. So now accessing the element. So this is one of the important concepts how we are going to access the element in the set. So we are not going to access element with the help of index because there is no index concept in the set. So that's why we need to access element with the help of for loop. Means for I in the S, print I. Means we have to access by one in the linear way, in the linear set we can say that. So if we are going to access with the help of index, then you are going to get and type here that is set object is an not subscripted. And if you are accessing element in the for loop, then you are going to get in the linear way that is 10, 20, and 5 days. So these are the elements in our yes set. Sorry, see, this is our yes set 10, 20, and 5. So in this way, you are going to get the element in the set yes. Now next point is that means looking towards the operation of the add and the remove element. So remove add means particularly we are going to add the new element in the set. So in this way, if we perform this operation, yes is equal to in the curly brackets 1 comma 2. So we need to add yes dot add 3. So in this way, 1, 2, and 3 is added to at the last position. Similar way, but in the case of remove, there are two ways in that. You can use remove and also you can use discard. So what basically the discards do that? Discards it definitely discards, but it definitely remove the elements from the set, but it cannot give you as an element not found error. But in case if you remove the use remove in the set concept, and if that element is not present in the set, then you are going to get it as an key error. So here I have clearly mentioned the example. Look here in the set there is 1 and 2. Yes, there is element 1 and 2, and now it is added that as a 3 element. But if I am going to remove the yes dot remove 5, there is no 5 element in the set. So what does it do? It is going to give us as a key error. But what if in case I get discard? I use discard yes dot discard 5. So that we are going to get an set output, but we didn't get any error. So this is the common difference between the remove and the discard. And with the help of pop element, with the help of pop, also you can going to remove the element from the set. So you need to use the pop function. So in this way, we have completed our set concept in this our lecture, and we further move towards our next topic. And by the way, stay healthy, happy learning, also stay hydrated. Bye bye. See you in the next lecture.